One hot day, an ant was searching for some water. After walking around for some time, she came to spring. To reach the spring, she had to climb up a blade of grass. While making her way up, she slipped and fell into the water. She could have drowned if a dove up a nearby tree had not seen her. Seeing that the ant was troubled, the dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped into the water near the struggling ant. The ant moved toward the leaf and climbed up into it. Soon, the leaf drifted to dry ground, and the ant jumped out. She was safe at last. Just at that time, a hunter nearby was about to throw his net over the dove, hoping to trip it. Guessing what he was about to do, the ant quickly bit him on the heel. Feeling the pain, the hunter dropped his net. The dove was quick to fly away to safety. One good turn begets another. I hope you like this story. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.